Hi, I'm Ina Caller from the InDe'B Quilt Shop, and I have a really fun quilt for you today. This is Aster. It is by Heather Peterson of Anka Treasures, and it was such a fun quilt to put together. I actually went to a retreat where this was taught, and we happened to have all of these fabrics, so we put together kits, and I love the kit that Bobby put together for this. It has all of the colors that we had from um, Indigo Garden, which is where the fabric that she based the pattern off of. And then we've added in some basics like some textures and some blossom colors into it also. And they just really went really well with all of her colors. And I love my quilt. So if you get this one, hopefully you'll love it too. We do have a few of those kits left. So let me give you some tips. When you look at this, it's basically this block here done 4 times to make up the flower. And it is just really, simple and easy once you get going. You just get into a rhythm and you just keep doing it. And then we use this sashing in between. It is a low volume sashing, but it also gives a little bit more movement into the quilt than if you just use something that's like just white or something else. And so I really do like this one that we've used with that, and then also the center blocks here. I've used the red mane as the border, and I'm also using that as the back. So don't forget to pick up your backing, and we have the yellow. We have it in this yellow color, and we have it in the red color. That you can choose from that. So let me give you some tips for how to do this. Heather Peterson, she has you cut out center stars and your outer stars. So this is the center star. This is the outer star. You use your fat quarter, you use it in both places. So I basically had to, sit down and figure that out. And I cut it, because like when you see this, you have, so like, here is your center star in this green color here, and then it's the outer star right here. Same thing, green, orange inner star, orange outer star. So you're going to use both of them in your quilt. And so I would go ahead and cut them out exactly how she has to do. And then you're going to sort them into an actual block. Now, if you look at these blocks, there's only 3 colors in the block, okay? You have this green center, you've got this barn red, and then this yellow, because the barn red is also here. So it's just the 1, 2, 3, that's all you have, okay? So when I took this class, I took it from Teresa Porter. She's our Riley White fabric rep, and at a retreat that I went to. And she gave us a little thing like this. Now, mine does not have any sizes on it at all. I just reproduced what she had done, and it has been so helpful in doing this. If you decide that you want to do this, you really need to draw up one of your own like this to put it in. So let's just go over it. Your backgrounds, it shows you down here, the backgrounds are all the darker areas, the dark black. Centers are these red. You can see that they're all right there in those pieces there. And then she has the outer star is right here. And then there is that little piece of fabric that is in the center right there. Okay. This made it so much easier because every time I went to go do one of these blocks, I just pulled them out. I put everything where it was supposed to be, the sizes, the colors, and everything. And then I just sewed. And it was so much easier to do that. I thought I need to do this when I'm doing blocks that have repeats in them, and that you're doing more than one time. To make up the block. That made it so much easier to do that. So I just really appreciate that she did that for us. We have a few of these kits left, not very many of them. So hopefully you'll love this as much as I did. I have to show you at the bottom here. You can see that those 3 blocks there on the bottom, really fun. This will be a really, really fun quilt to do. Really easy to, extend it, make it a twin, make it a king, if that's what you really want, what size you want to have. But every time I made a block, it was like, oh my gosh, I had to take a picture and send it to my friend and say, check this out. This is so pretty. Look at this. And it really was. It's like I couldn't pick a favorite from the blocks. They were all just wonderful. So anyway, I hope that you like this. Again, this is the Aster Quilt by Heather Peterson from Anka Treasures, using her fabric line, Indigo Garden. But we saw it in lots of other colors too. It was really fun in that class. So. And when you can pick up the pattern from us, you can also get the whole kit from us. It's on there, and I will link those down below this video. So have a great day. Chat to you later.